Traditional notions. Internal. The traditional notion of security also involves internal peace and order of a country. That is the internal security of the country. Since the end of the Second World War in 1945, powerful countries are concerned more about external threat than to the internal threats. It is especially so for countries like USA, USSR and the Western European nations. They have no issues of facing threat from within their countries. Thus, they gave less importance to internal security. During this period, for many European countries, the external threat was the Cold War between the US-led alliance and the Soviet Union-led alliance. They joined one or the other alliance to maintain their interests. Also during this period, many colonies got freedom from their imperial masters. They too had to prepare for any regressive acts by their former colonists and their neighboring countries. Apart from this, many newly independent colonies from Asia and Africa have to take care of the internal security threats in the form of armed conflicts. Thus, these countries faced threats both internally and externally. Externally, they feared more of their neighbors than the superpowers. Disputes were majorly over the borders, controlling the flow of people, territories, or all of them. Internally, it was the separatist movements, which at times got merged with external conflicts with the neighbors. Between 1945 and 1991, 95% of wars in the world were internal wars. This shows that the newly formed countries faced both internal and external security challenges.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn.